Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here in nature, one of my happy places. The topic I want to talk about is consistency. Being consistent, doing something the same way over a period of time. And it doesn't matter if you're diabetic or not diabetic, whatever your situation is. There's some things we got to be consistent with, like self-care, taking time to self-care. Today I'm doing some self-care by walking in the park, just taking some pictures of nature and having a relaxation moment. It's so beautiful and organic, and I hope you enjoy my little excursion here. We're looking for things. It's almost spring. Enjoying some of the spring flowers that are just springing up. So, taking the moment with me, and let's self-care together and be consistent. Indeed, our health is our greatest wealth. So we have to invest time and self-care. And let's go over here. We're going to go to the garden to see what they have in the garden. The spring flowers are not quite out, but you can hear the birds chirping. There's a bird over there. Yep, little bird. Let's see the flowers. Lots of tulips. Beds and beds of tulips, getting ready for spring. Stay with me. Walking nice and slow. I believe what we're heading towards next is a cherry blossom tree. But wait, there's some flowers. Not sure what kind of flowers this is. Maybe we can find out. Beautiful. Let's see if we see the name of it. Matiosia Stuthiopteris. Maybe someone can help me pronounce that some more. This looks like a cherry blossom. Oh, it's so beautiful. Self-care. Just enjoying nature, taking in the moment. Just taking in the moment. The root of the cherry blossom tree. Branches going all the way up. There's a little greenery over here. You can hear the birds in the background. Just taking in a quiet moment to self-care and do a little deep breathing. Does help. Part of stress management tip. Consistency, self-care, stress management tip. All ties in together. If I saw a blue jay, let's go back over. You can hear the bird. Let's see if we see it. That's the blue jay. It's the beauty of nature. You never know what you're going to find. See if we find another bird. I could hear them. Yeah, so remember, consistency is a word for today. Always be consistent, especially when it comes to self-care and stress management. Little sky blue. The trees are budding. Nothing but nature all around. Oh, something to remind us of fall and winter. And at the same time, there's a part of the tree that's budding, reminding us that spring is near, which gives a hopeful feeling of joy and excitement. That spring is near. Consistency and taking time to self-care. A little more sky view. See the trees budding. The beauty of nature is so fascinating. Let's walk back. to the tulip garden. And I think that's where we will end for today. Consistency. Don't forget, self-care. Don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. And remember, we're always rooting for you. Bye for now.